Good morning class. Today topic your function. Your last topic lesson has been completed. Now discuss about the today topic function. What is the function? A relation is a function, but not every relation is not function. Every relation is not a function. It means specific relation is called a function. Those relations are specific types is called a function. To which, what do you mean by the specific relation? Specific relation means when you making a relation from a set A to set B. When you making a relation from set A to set B, then specific means when you making the relation set A to set B, then every element of the set A has a one and only one image in set B. This it means specific means every element of this set A, every element of this set A has one and only one unique image in set B. It means specific relation is called a function. Now take an example of this. Suppose a set I am taking here 1, 2, 3 and set B I am taking here A, B, C, D, E. This is the we are making the function here. Function A to B means A to B means this is the domain part. This is the codomain part. Then suppose you are making here two types here function. Here 1, 2, 3. Or here A, B, C, D and E. This is the unique types of relations. Means one is having the unique image in set B. This is the set A and this is the set B. One is the unique image in the set B. 2 is the unique image in the set B. 3 is the unique image in the set B. In this type relation is called the function. Suppose this type 1, 2, 3 A, B, C. Suppose you are making in this type. This is not function. This is not function. Function only because here one element having here two images A and B. So this is not function. This is only relation. It is called the relation. It is called the relation, not a function. Or this is called the function. This is called function because every element of the domain having a unique image in the codomain. Every element of the domain having unique image in the codomain. But in this condition, suppose you are making this decision for one having the two images. One having the two images. Suppose in this type relation is called the relation, not function. In this type relation is called the only relation, not a function. Function means unique image in the unique element having the unique image. Yes, note down. And next. Yes, class. Next question next point I am taking here some functions and their graphs. Functions are different types of function: identity function, coordinate function, rational function, greatest integer functions, and modulus function and signum function. So different type functions here. The first function I am taking here, identity function. What is the identity function here? This is the R tend to R means domain here real number and codomain also here real number. Both are R tend to R means domain and range both having here real numbers. So when you draw this graph of these functions, suppose you are drawing the graph of this function here. This is the x, this is the y. Given condition fx is equal to identity function. When you put here x equal here 1, then fx1 equal to 1. Suppose you are putting x equal to 2, that means fx equal to 2. Fx is called here the y. What do you meaning the fx? Fx means y. Value of the fx is called y. Fx is represented here y. Y means fx. and suppose you are putting x equal to -2, then fx equal to -2, so -2. Suppose x equal to putting -1, this f -1 equal to minus. It means in this type function is called the identity function. So then when you draw the graph of this function, this is called the straight line in this type. 1, and here -1, -2, -3, +1, +2, +3. Here -1, -2, -3. In the when you draw the graph of the identity function, this is come down to single straight line. Means positive value in x, positive value of the y, so this value, positive value of the x, positive value of the y, positive value of the x, positive value of the same here. In this type function is called the identity function. When you draw the graph of the identity function, the graph always draw in this single straight line. The graph of the identity function is single straight line. Just note down the next function. Yes, then next function I am taking the constant function. What is the constant function? Constant function same here when you are taking the function real value to real value. In this type function also called the real valued function. The real number to real number. In this type odd function is called the real valued function. Means domain and codomain both having the real number, then is called the real valued function. Or function, what is the value defined by fx equal to c? What do you mean here c? C here any constant number, any real number here. C means this is the part c. C is belong to the real number. You are putting any real number, or codomain also any real number. Then domain and codomain both are real number. When you draw the graph here, how this is drawing this way. Suppose here this is the y equal to fx, and this is the x. This is the y dash, and this is the x dash. When putting the value here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 minus negative value -1, -12, -3, +1, +12, +3. Same here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and here -1, -2, and -3. When you putting c, suppose you are putting c equal to 5, c equal to 2, c equal to 3, suppose I c equal to 2. So when you putting c equal to 2 means fx equal to 2. Fx equal to 2, so fx equal to 2 means then you draw that up parallel line, this parallel. This is called the constant function. In this type function is called the constant function because you are what is the value of fx here? Fx value here 2. So for putting the value here 2, suppose you are putting the value here 5, then more than your line will be going there. This in this type function is called the constant function. Here, let's note down then next. Yes, then next function I am taking the polynomial function here. This is also real valued function here. The r tend to r means domain real number and codomain also real number. So those functions having the domain and codomain both are real value. This is called a real valued functions. Here function is given f equal to x square. This is the polynomial function because here x square comes x square here. So then when you draw the graph here, yes, how to solve this question? Y equal fx. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the y x dash. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the y dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the y. This is the x. So when you putting, suppose you are putting here x equal to 1, what value of the f1? This is the 1 square equal to 1. When you putting x equal to 2, what value of the square of this? 2 square equal to 4. You are putting the value of the function this. Then you make the graph here. When you putting x equal to 3, what value of the square of 3 is equal to 9. When you putting x equal to -1, then -1 equal to square of minus plus 1. When you putting is the -2, then -2 equal to square of -2 equal to 4. When you putting is the -3, then square of -3 equal to 9. In this type function, if you draw the graph here, so we will come always in the curve shape. In this shape. this will come in this shape. This is form of the polynomial functions. So if you look in the graph in this shape, this is the polynomial function. The polynomial function here, x, y both here belong to real numbers, means domain and codomain both are real numbers. Then you will draw you are putting any numbers here, any real numbers here. Suppose negative, positive, fraction, decimals, any number you are putting here, then here come in this always positive. It means x is negative, this is the negative sign, this is the positive sign, this is the positive sign, or this is the negative sign. Why will be not negative here? Suppose you are putting in this function value, so y will be never here negative sign. Y here positive, x negative, x positive, y positive, but y we are not negative. The function will be coming this shape. Sometimes suppose curve in this shape downward, suppose curve in this shape in this, suppose in this way. Well, direction of the curve is not fixed here, always in this direction, but direction will be changed, but always curve in this form. Otherwise in this form, otherwise in this form, otherwise in this form. Yes, note down. Then next. Yes, then next function I am taking the modulus function. This is a very important function, modulus function here. This is also the real value function, because here domain, codomain here real numbers. This is the function f is equal to modulus x. X belongs to R, means domain, codomain both are here real numbers. Yes, now look here. Suppose we are using this fx is equal to modulus x. What do you mean of this? It means positive x if x greater than or equal to 0, or negative x if x less than 0. In this condition, the modulus function converting in this type signum function. Then you can solve here. Suppose you are putting here x equal to 1, then what value of x equal to 1? Suppose here x equal to 2, then what value of here? Modulus of 1 equal to 1. Modulus of 2 is equal to 2. Suppose you are putting here minus 2, means f minus 2 equal to modulus of minus 2 equal to 2. Suppose you are putting minus 1 here, f minus 1 equal to modulus of minus 1 equal to 1. Look here, polynomial function or signum, polynomial function and modulus function, some difference here, because here not here power, here simple way, that means 1 1 2 2 3 3, but diagrams when you draw the graph here, y equal to fx, this is the x, 1 2 3 1 2 3, this is the diagram. So then you will become always in this form, in straight line. Y also not here negative, because your modulus sign, your modulus sign to y will never here negative, y are always here positive here in this graph. Then x you are taking positive, negative, fraction, decimal, this is not matter, but y always come here positive. Polynomial function, y not fixed, y is in polynomial function y is not fixed positive. When in polynomial function, suppose you are drawing the graph in this way, this y is negative. Suppose polynomial function in this way, suppose in this positive y. Suppose you are drawing in this way, suppose you are graph in this way. It means here possible, polynomial function possible, but modulus function always graph in this way, because when you putting the any value of the domain, so y always coming positive. It means y always here come positive. This is the fixed. Here not fixed. Polynomial function is not fixed, but modulus function here fixed. Yes, not down. Yes, class. Next function I am taking the greatest integer function. This is a very important function here. This is also real value function here, because R, domain, codomain both are real values, then defined by fx. This is a symbol of the greatest integer function. This is the symbol of, what is the symbol of? This is the symbol of the greatest integer function. Symbol of the greatest integer function. Yes, how to solve this function, and this is very important, because x belong any real number here. You are putting any real number here. What value of the greatest integer function? Yes, now look here. Suppose you are putting here x equal to 1.1. What value of 1.1 equal to 1.1? This is the 1. Why is 1? Because they are named greatest integer. Greatest integer 1 and 0.1. What is the greatest integer? 1. What is the greatest integer? 1 and 0.1. So this is the greatest integer. So then you write here 1. Same thing when you put x equal to 1.2. So then f 1.2. This is also here, right? 1.2. This is also 1. Similarly, you are putting here 1.9 here. Then f 1.9. This means greatest function 1.9. This is also is 1. Means 1.1 to 1.9 means value of the 1 to 1.9, between 1 to 1.9. Value of the x 1 greater than 1, x less than 2. This will always come. This is 1. When value of the greatest function greater than -1 and less than 2, this will always come 1. Same things when you putting the value of 2 less than equal to less than 3, this always come here 2. When you putting here 3 less than equal to x less than 4, this equal to always 3. In this table, all value of the 1 and between 2, this is the 1. All value of the 2 and 3, this result will be 2. All value of the 2, 3 and between 4, this result will be 3. Means same here, when you putting here 2.8, what value of 2.8 here? This is the gradient function 2.8, result here 2. Suppose you are putting here 3.5, then value of 3.5 is equal to gradient function 3.5, result will be 3. In this, same things here negative. When putting the 0 less than 1 and less than equal to 0 less than equal to -1, -1 less than equal to 0, this will always is -1. -2 less than equal to less than 1, this equal to -2. In this way, between 0 and including -1, this is the result -1. Between 1 and including -2 here, then result will be -2. This result will be -2. How to draw the graph of this function? Yes, now look here. This will be draw the graph. This is the y here, y equal to fx. Same things here. This is the x, this is the y, and this is the y dash. 1. This is the 1, 2, 3, and this is the -1, -2, and -3. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. -1, -2, and -3. -1, -2, and -3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. In this way. That means all values of the 0, this is the 0, between 0 and 1, all value between 0 and the 0, all values between 1 and 2, this is the 1, all values 1 and 3, this is the 2. Suppose I am taking here 1.1, this is the 1, I am taking the values 1 and this is the -1, then suppose this point. Next, suppose 2 point here, in this point is 2. So then you can draw in this types of the graph. Same here negative, same here positive. In this type you can draw the graph. In this type the graph we will draw here. This is the greatest integer. All values of 0 to -1. This is the -1. All values between -1 and -2 is -2. -2 will be including here. All values are -2 and between -2 and including here 3, this will be 3. In this way you can draw the graph of greatest integer function. Yes, note down. Yes, students. Then I am taking here question number first, exercise 2.3, and check this you understand function and relation or not. This is the basis of the checking which relation is the function, which relation is not the function. This is the basic concept of your knowledge. You understand these things or not. Question here: which of the following relations are functions? Means here 3 part I am taking here. Which relation is a function? Give reason. If reason, give you reason here. If it is the function, then you determine the domain and range. Question here, you will check this first which relation here function, which relation is not a function. If relation is the function, then you will give the answer what is the domain, what is the range. Suppose given relation is not a function, then you give the region, why it is not the function. Yes, now start the solution. First things here, first part. First, how to check this question, the given relation is a function or not. Here, you will check the only order pair. You check every order pair. First element same or not. I am talking about only first element, means domain elements. I am not talking about the second element. Second element means codomain and a range element. I am not talking about the range element. I am talking about only first element, any domain element. If the domain element is the same, its mean relation is not a function. If first element is different, is every order pair. First element is different from every order pair, then you can say given relation is a function. And now check in this basis. First, 2, 1, first function, you will check only first in order pair, first element. You check this first element here, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. The first element here not repeated. This means you can say that this relation is a function. You can say here in first given relation first is a function. Now draw the pictorial graph here. First we are 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. But this is your 1. It means they are all are mapping in the 1. This is the domain part and this is the codomain. This is the codomain. So this is the possible in a function. Which things is not possible in a function? Suppose here 1, 2, 3 and here A and B. Suppose A having 1 element having the 2 images, then this is not function. This is not function. This is the possible of function. Because 2 having the image 1, this is the function. Every element of the domain is different. Every element of the domain here different, means this is called the function. So what is the domain, what is the range here? Now second answer here, domain. All element of the domain part, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. And what is the range here? Only 1. This is the only your range. This is your range, only 1, or this is your domains. All element of the here in first part. This is called the domain. The first part you are solved. Now check the second part in similar way. Now check the second part in similar way. First element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. All are different. No any element repeating in this order pair. In this order pair 2, here 4, here 6, here 8, here 10, here 12, here 14. Means in domain elements are not repeated, then you can say here this is relation. The given here is the second part, then second is relation. Or what is the domain here? The domain here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. And what is the range here? Range here 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is your second element here called the range. First element here called the domain. So this is your answer. And this is also your answer. Given lesson second here is your function. Or what is the domain? What is the range? This is your identifier. Yes. Third part. Now check the third part here. Check the first element 1 1 1. 1 1 means, so this is the first two order pair. First two order pair, in first two order pair 1 is repeating, means domain element are repeating 1 1 1 1. You are not repeating but you are repeating. It means this is not a function. So given relation third is not function because in order pair first and second, in order pair first and second, one is repeating, as one is repeating. One is repeating. One here repeating here, then means two order pair. In this type, order pair is called the two order pair. When is the domain element here repeating, then it is called the two order pair. You can write in short form. It is two ordered pair. Ordered pair. If you write in the short form, you can say that this relation is two ordered pair. Why is two ordered pair? Because your domain element you are repeating. You can write in short form that this relation is the two ordered pair. The short region here. What is the short region? Short region here that this relation is a two ordered pair because you have domain element you are repeating. This is not function. This is only relations. Don't write in detailed answer. You will write the short form because it is two ordered pair. Two ordered pair means the simple thing means this is a domain element are repeating. Yes, note down. Then next.